How to remove filter keyword on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove filter keyword on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and now click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it click settings and privacy, and here you will find the privacy. Click on it and click comments and scroll down. Here you will find this one. You will find it like that. Just click this X icon here if you want to remove it, and that's it. The keyword have been removed.
And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.